Hello, friends all over the world. I have all of friends like to play Powerball, like to have fun, like to try to take the chance to get to be a millionaire. Today we have like a new thing. Like it's not new because I did a previous video before on the Powerball and Mega Ball stuff like that. But I didn't really explain where, and I made a lot of mistakes too. I think that was a big mistake, but that was my first video, so I know you understand. And I come back again to explain better on the number that came out and how they came out. And I guess uh, you're gonna have to watch my next video so we can get the number that's gonna come out today. Like today is Saturday, right? Yes. We, you're gonna have when I'm done with this, so you can have a clear view understanding how it's done. So you're gonna have to watch my next video to connect or so to understand what I mean, to understand and help me get the next number that's gonna come out tonight. Tonight. Okay? So let's get to work. Okay. The number that came out on the 20, I think that was on the 29. That number came out on the 29, 04, man, 04. Sorry, give me 1 minute. Yeah, that number came out on the 29, 2021, 04, 44, 58, 59, 70, and 03, and power play 3. So what I did, I take the power play, I start with the power play right here, and then I multiply that number that came out like I multiply 04, 04, 44, 59, 58, 70, 03. I multiply them. And then over here is my frequency table. So we're gonna start with those numbers from the lowest numbers. From the lowest numbers we're gonna start from there. And then there is another method I use to verify that I call Goldmind because to do it you're gonna need a second opinion, right? So you're gonna need a second opinion. So what I do, the second method I use named Goldmind is uh, Goldmind is those number 12, 1, 132, 174, 177, 210, 210, 210, and 09. So I go right here, I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I go right here, I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this way, sometime when I need to expand my mind, like to expand the numbers to have more choice, I can go right here. Up there, I put 6, 5, 6 to 5 down here, and then 6, and not 2, 6, 6 to 1 down here, and then 6 to 1 over here. So usually I do that, but this is a different game today. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start from the lowest numbers. I'm gonna take a different marker color. So let's see. Let me take red to see where it's gonna pop in the way I want it to. or maybe not. I can still stick with my black. Okay, I'll stick with the black. Okay, we're gonna start from the lowest number. The lowest number was here is 0. So we put 0 on the value line. Don't forget, this is the V stand for value, this is F for frequency, and this is for sounds. So what we do, we start from the lowest numbers. Now we're gonna count how many zero we have on that number. We multiply. So we got 1 here, 2. Well, we only got 2. So now we go to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we got 5 ones. We got 5 ones. That means it's a possibility that we're gonna have maybe 5 ones coming out on next, maybe not. Okay, that because the frequency is very high from the start. So let's go to the next one. Twos. How many twos? 1, 2, 3. So we got 3 twos. Now, how many fours? No, sorry. How many threes? 1. We only got 1. So we do 1 right here. And next number is 4. We do this 1. We only got 1. So we put 1 here. Next number is 5. Uh, we don't have 5 here, over here. We don't have no 5. So let's jump to 6. We don't have no 6. So if we don't have no 6, we're gonna jump to 7. The next number will be 7 because we don't have no 5, we don't have no 6. So we take 7. 7. 1, 2, 3. We got 3 sevens. Okay? So now we're looking for 8. Do we have 8 in here? No, no 8. So we have 9. Don't remember that 5 is not here, 6 is not here, and 8 is not here. So we got a big chance here. So you can start to see clearly what's next. Now, 9. How many 9? We got 1. So 1. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna usually I use the same method like came with the frequency table, the range, all that, the main, the mode. Yeah. Um so now for example, now you can see the range here gonna be equal to 9 because the range is the highest number minus low number. So when the highest number here is 9, the highest number here is 9, the lowest number here is 0. So minus 0, what I give you? 9. So this is the range. 9 is the range. So now we're gonna look for the number with the highest frequency. The number with the highest frequency here is 5. The number with the highest frequency here is 5. Uh, okay. So let's move on. The number with the highest frequency here is 5. And the highest value here is 1. The highest value here is 1, which is 9. The value is 9. The frequency is 1. So that's the highest value is 1. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna multiply the frequency with the value. That give me 0 right here. That give me 5. That give me 6, 3, 4, 3 fois 7, 21. Don't forget, I speak Creole too. So uh, if sometimes maybe I say something like in a different language, yeah, I'm a Creole speaking. That means I'm Asian. Haitien. Ça veut dire moi c'est Haitien too. Okay? So let's continue. Okay, this give me 9. So now that's what I got. Usually I like to do 3. It's like I like to do 3 frequency table. Usually. I like to do 3 frequency table. When you do 3 frequency table, like it's like when you for example, well you making a smoothie, you press one first, you press, what I mean, second, like NC they should like step by step, you squeeze the juice to make it more juicy, more smoothie, you know what I mean? But that's what I'm doing here. So let's go. The same thing we did for this here, we're gonna do the same thing for this over here. But before we do this, we're gonna add all of those together, all of values together, all the frequency together, all the sums together, so we can see what we get. Because sometimes you can find one number. It's easy to find one number from the frequency, and sometimes the value they match. You know what I mean? So let's move. Okay, that gives me, let's see, 3, 6, 10, 17, 17. Okay, 16, 26. This one gives me 26. Okay, the value is 26. So that being said, the frequency probably gonna be maybe 14. Let's try. Okay, 7, 10, 7, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16. Okay, I was wrong. 16. Now let's do the sum. 11, 14, 18. Plus 21, 18, plus 9, 18, plus 9, uh, 17, 18, 4, 48. Okay, we got 48 in here. So, come on, man. I just need to see. I'm sorry, people. Yeah. So, when we done this, what I like to do, I like to do this. Uh, that give me 8. Like a press side here give me 8. Okay. This one give me 7. Okay. And this one give me 12. You see? Over here, the 17 give me the 16. The frequency give me 16 when I add all of it. So when I'm done add all of it with the result, I got 16. So I do 1 plus 6 give me 7. On the value I do with the result is 26. I do 2 plus 6 give me 8. So now we're gonna do it another way to see what we're gonna get again. So what I do here, I do 26 plus 16, 12, 42. Okay, so this one give me 42. So 42, if I do the same thing, gonna equal to 6 if I do the same thing. But remember, I'm gonna keep that 42 somewhere. Well, let me say over here, note. Those is for my numbers. I call this note. Okay, I'm gonna keep 42 in case. In case. Okay, gonna keep 42. I see 42 here. I see it, but I don't know if it's gonna be useful. But let's keep moving. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same thing with 48 with 16. Um, over well, this one is divided by 16. I like to do this one like this, so it always gives me what I'm looking for. Always. Um, yeah. Give me 3. Equal 3. Is equal 3. So when I add this gives me 7. When I add this gives me 12. Okay? So right here, I got 7 up here, and then I got 12 up here, and then I got 3. So those numbers they may come handy. Okay? So yeah, they make them handy. Like for example, you see on the verification side, you see 3 right here. 3 is right here. 3 is right here. 43, 44, okay? 11, 12. You see 12? We got 12 up here, and we got 26. And okay, so let's go for the next one. I'm not done with this, but we're gonna fill that one so we can see what's going on for the next numbers. Okay. 14. Okay. How many zeros? We're gonna do the same thing again. Zeros. One, two zeros. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6 ones. Okay, now how many how many 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 twos. Okay? From here too, you can see the numbers. Okay? For example, we got 26 here, right? We got 26 here. 29 is right here. Okay? We got 26. So when you take 9 right here and 2 right here, and then right here again, 29 right here, okay? And then 14, we need 14. 14, you see it? 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14. Okay? Yeah. So let's go for the next one, which gonna be 3, which gonna be 3. Oh, I think I make a mistake, but it's not a big mistake. Those is not the number those is not the number for the second. But you see, I still find the number for the second. I still find the number for the fifth here, but the number for the second was 13. Sorry for that. You see it? 13, 13. That was the number for the second, and the next number was 37 right here. I don't even need to go too far to find it. That was 37, and then the next number is 40. That's the number that's the number that's gonna make me go for the next number. For example, over here we got 13. You see? That's why I need when I said we need a second guess like to verify. We got 13 right here. 13. And then we got 37. You see it? We need the verification like to find them, because if you can see them, but if you have the verification method to see what which number you got in your table that match everything, like what that's here or the number that's here, that will give you a better understanding and a better view on your picking number. I suggest like before you picking a number, like a quick pick number, Powerball or Mega Ball, you follow this method on your own knowledge. Like, you know what I mean? I'm trying to explain to you the way I understand it, and that's work for me because it worked for me every time. You know. So the next number is 40. Okay, we need 40. Yeah, 40 is here. Is here. You see, 4. You see it? It's right here too. Let's use it on this side. 40. Okay. On that same verification, you see all the numbers right here. 40. Now we got 40 here, but we don't see it yet. Let's go look for 40. Let's see if we see another number here that's we're gonna need. That came out. 67. Okay. Well, we got 67. We got 67. Yes, we do. We got 67 from here. You see it? 6 and 7. And again, 6 and 7. And that's why I said usually I put another 6, another 1 to 6 line to help me better. Look at that. If I put 1 6 here, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I got 67 again. Okay? I got 67 here, 67 here. So let's go for 67 over here. Okay? For example, we got 26. Let's see what I can give me 15 when I add 8 plus 7, God gonna give me 15. 15 plus probably gonna give me 15. Uh, 27. This one giving 27 plus 2 plus 7 equal 9. How can I use this? Well, I don't know yet, but for some reason I see 7. 7 is here. So when you add that like this, you got 6 and 7. That means it's to show you how many ways that you can see the numbers. Every time you see the number like that, the number close, you see it on your verification table. It's showing you something. And then when you go here, you see the same thing. Don't worry, you need to pick that number because it's most likely uh the number that's gonna come out. And the next number will be 10. 10. Okay, we got 10 over here. Two, see it? 10. We got 10 over here, and we got 10 over here. Okay? So the next number is 10. So we got, let me write down all the number that we got. We got 20, 37. It's to show you that this is very a good method to use. Now we need 38. Don't forget 38 wasn't there. We need 37, 38 not there, 40 not there. So we got 67. We leave space for, and then 10. We got 10. So we got 4 numbers so far on that method. I don't even done that yet. We got 4 numbers so far. So now we need 40, which I got 40 on my verification table. I got 40. Now I need 39. No, I need 38 because I got 37. I got 67. Now I need 38, 40. Those 2 numbers. Okay, let's push on. Okay. How many three? One, two, three, three. Okay, we got three threes. Now, how many fours? One, two. We got 2 fours. Now, how many fives? How many fives? We got one, two fives. Now, how many six? Remember, the first one, we didn't have no 6 there. So the second one, because the result we got was for the value was 26 and the frequency was 16. So we got 6 now. So we're gonna put it to use. How many 6? We got one, two, three, 3 6s. Okay. Now, how many 7? So you have to. Those is the numbers I'm looking for. I'm looking for uh sorry 13, 37, which I got already, and 40, 38, 40, and 67, and 10. So those is the numbers I'm looking for. I got 40 already on my thing on verification table, so I must squash it because I still don't find it yet on that second table. So and with the other one was 38, we still don't find it yet. So let's move on. When we got it, we're gonna put it right there to complete the session. Okay. Now, what we're doing, we're going for sevens. How many seven we got here? Do we have any? Sure, we got one. I I think we got only one seven. We got one seven. Now, one. Okay, we got only one seven. Now we're moving down to eight. Remember, we didn't have no eight here. We got one, two, three, four, seven, nine. Now we got eight because of the result of the sum. So we're going down here, straight that line down to extend those numbers. You know, I like to play with that because shit. Sorry, my language. But this can make somebody, reach to more. Before I pick a quick pick, I do this first, and then I play. I play my own numbers. So like that, I know I got probably like, let's say 50% chance to win that money, be a millionaire, change people's lives, do better things in life, you know. Okay, let's look for it. One, we only got one. One eight. Now nine. One nine, two nine. We got two nine. So now what we're going to do is do the same thing. Okay? Now the range gonna be the same. 0 9. Okay? The range still gonna be the same. Now what we're gonna do to find those four, we don't need to go too far. We don't need to like the frequency table is so good. You don't need to even follow the law of the frequency, the frequency table to find those numbers. Let's see. 0, 6. That give me 8. Okay, and that give me 9, and that give me 8. That give me 10, and that give me 18, and that give me 7. That give me 8. That give me 8, and that give me 18. Okay, so the number that was missing was 40 and what else? 40. The number that was missing was 40 and 38. 1. 38 is right here. Okay? 38 is everywhere. You can see it. I don't have it. That's the point. This number, it don't show up on my on that board right here. On that method. It didn't show up. But I got it so many times. If you pay close attention, you can choose it because you got 37. You see 37 everywhere, right? So if you see a number everywhere, pick it. Well, 37, 38 is right here. You see it? 38 is right here. 38 is right here. Okay? 40 is right here. Okay? 40. You see it? 40 is right here. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, 40. 04, 40. 38, 38, 38. You see it? 38 is all over the place. 38 is all over the place. And the power board was 10, right? It's right here by himself. I bet this is the range. I'm sorry, the minimum. What? Let me see something. 1. Uh, no, no, he's not. But that's what I'm saying. Like you don't need to follow. If you follow all the principle for the frequency table, you probably miss those numbers. But if the way to do it is that's my trick. The way I do it, I watch the number that's come out that's show up most on that table. Okay? You watch the number that's coming out most, you do the range, you do the mode, you do the everything that's possible in your knowledge, like to make it possible for you. Because you can see, you see, we got 40, we got 440. So you choose. You know what I mean? For example, if you're not sure if you got the right number, what you do when you got that, what you do, what I like to do, I like to play. Okay, for example, if I play 40, I play 40 up here, like two tickets, 40 and then 04 and another ticket to make sure. For example, 38 you cannot play 83. So what you do, you play 38. Okay? I mean 37, 38, 40. Well, we got 40 already here, but let me put it in order. 40, 13, which we got here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 67, and 10. Okay? All the numbers is here. It's that simple to find the numbers. What was that number again? 37, 30, yeah, 38. It's that simple, guys. Okay? That's the number that came out on the second. Let me check again to be sure. Yes, that's the number that came out on the second. So I don't even need to follow the everything to find them, to see them and to find them, to recognize them. So you can use them to put them to use before you quick pick Powerball or Mega Ball. Use the same method and use that Goldmind verification to match your numbers to see how you gonna get that $1,000,000. Comment ou pral fè tourner yon millionaire. Si vous voulez venir un millionaire, follow this and you know what to do. The next video gonna be for tonight. Like the number that's coming out tonight. We're gonna do the same thing and then you're gonna help me choose. Leave a number on the bottom on the comment. Then like pick your 6 numbers, put them on the comment section, and then me I will let you know what number I pick for tonight. Mega Million. So let's take that chance. Let's see who's gonna be a millionaire this today. Okay, and you got a lot of chance to be one. Okay, so uh that's it for today. For right now, I mean not for today. That's it for right now, and I'm gonna take a break and end this video, and you guys work on this. On this at home so you can see how you can pick your numbers. Like I said, you're gonna have to watch my next video to see the number that's gonna come out tonight. Tonight for the Powerball. Tonight is this February 6th. So watch my next video. It's gonna come up soon, and then we're gonna talk about it, and you're gonna help me pick. You're gonna pick your numbers. I'm gonna pick my numbers, and we're gonna play and get money. That's all we do. That's all we can do, and get money and get rich. You know what I mean? We're good for that. Use your brain. Enjoy. Stay safe. Coronavirus out there. Stay safe, people. I know it's hard right now. We can't do nothing. That's what quarantine do to me. And quarantine is bad, but if you use it, make the best out of it. It's too many lives lost. So When you got your time at home, don't just watching TV, lay on the couch to do things. Use your brain. Read a book. Write a lyrics if you can. Whatever that make you have a great day. Do it. Okay. So that's why that this bring me joy every day. Okay. So I do it. Let's do it together. Let's get the money. All right. Let's support each other to be a millionaire. So that's what I'm doing. I share my ideas with you and make that idea bring that bread home. Stack that money. Be a millionaire and invest in people. Okay. And invest in you too. See you next time, people. Love y'all.